All right, boys and girls, today we learned about the v sound. Drive Vic's van around the village. Drive Vic's van around the village. Drive Vic's van around the village. V. And we learned lots and lots of words with v. Very, have, love, I love you. Vest, olive, volcano. Video, I watch many videos on YouTube. Volume, turn down the volume. Van, village. Erla, Pinsoro, Bardenas, and Rivas are villages. Drive. 5, 7, 17. 70. Violin. Vine. Valentine. Vase. Vowels. A, E, I, and E, or A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Leaves. In autumn, the leaves fall down. River. In Egea, there are 2 rivers, the Arba of Luesia and the Arba of Biel. And in Zaragoza, the big river is the Ebro. Stove. We cook dinner on the stove. Voice. Vet. The doctor for animals is the vet. Vacation. In July and August, I don't come to school because I'm on vacation. Vampire. For Halloween, I dressed up as a vampire. And detective. I'm a very good detective. V.